Green Skill Development Program is Indian government's priority program, which has been aimed at providing the hands-on and practical training to the youth of India who are unemployed, so that by taking a training which is a hands-on practical training, they can get a job, they can start their own business, they can join NGOs. Under this, which has been steered by Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change, IITM is having a center, NV Center, which is established since 2003, where we organize two courses. One is air quality and water pollution, another one is the emission inventory, where who is who in the fields have been invited, and we are very proud that IITM so far have trained around 100 students who either got a job somewhere or they started their own business. It has been very successful, and those people who are only 10th or graduation passed and not scored, not get anywhere employed, they got it with this hands-on training. This is little different from our normal curriculum, because most of the normal curriculum, theoretical study classes is given more importance, but in this program we give more importance to hands-on training and practical and field visits, and that is the reason it was a very successful program, and IITM is proud to spearhead and trained and get a skilled and get the job for more than about 100 students under this program.
I did a dissertation on extreme precipitation and its effect, like how does aerosols affect extreme precipitation for the region of central India. I did the program on GSDP's emission inventory. This training program is different from the other different training programs, as the approach which is followed here is more of a practical a practical way is followed here. Like other than like the general way which we see that it is mostly theoretical, but here hands-on training is given, and also like in data collection we have to go there on the field. Like we don't know what the things might be on the field, but then through this we got an idea that how to identify different type of, like we generally know that this is a vehicle, but then through which under which BS norms it comes, like which is the model make according to the year, and then under which category, like HCV, like LCV or MUV, multi-utility vehicle, in which category it comes in. So it basically gives us a practical. This training program is different because it has a practical approach.
I'm working with a group of people who are into sustainable, they are promoting sustainability through drawings. So what we do is we paint, Varli painting, and then we scan the image, then we add the dialogues for particular things, and then we publish it on Facebook and Instagram. It was more of the knowledge that is required for wherever we go for work. So important things maybe like presentation skills and writing skills. So they asked us to give the weekly report. So we are used to that. Our college was also based on that practical knowledge, but here I got to know a few of the new things, new technologies that our college couldn't afford, like AAS. It's a very high-tech instrument which requires a lot of money and a lot of things, so I got to know about that.
Well, as I am from an environmental background, this is a very interesting field which I can make this, because as you all know that pollution is going at an alarm level. So environmental is a major concern which we have to take, because all other fields what is giving is we gain the knowledge and also we will earn money also, but it is there how to protect it. That is what environment is. Like if you control the pollution level and all, then we can preserve all the things which we are gaining and earning. So the practical knowledge is a very important thing which we learn. Only theoretical part we will be reading and we will, but thing is like implementation is very important thing. So practical is that makes in this course very nice. And here the software is a geography information software is there, which we have learnt here. And learning this is not important, but thing is like we have to go in the field to get the primary data, which is very important for making policy making. Policy making schemes, and also like for any future things, the primary data is a very basic thing which is needed. So that exposure we had, and there are different sectors which we had went for a survey. As example, like transport sector we went, street vendors and household surveys and all we went. But here like we can come to know like what are emissions, different sources where it is coming from. We will come to know that how much level they are generating. Maybe they are not unaware of the things, so that we understood in reality. So that is more needed. So once we know the reality, then the other models or anything which we want to improve for reducing the pollution, that can be done.
The different about this program is we got hands-on experience, practical experience of GIS, and also we visited other labs of IITM which were also not indirectly related to environment, like AS lab and many other instruments we were shown, and the practical demonstration was given to us. Additional knowledge was the most important thing which is needed, especially when you are going to be employed in the market, is data interpretation, which I think was different in this course. This will enhance the employability of me and my colleagues in the future. And also along with the jobs, I think so the secondary thing is that we are going to spread the awareness about environment, which is very important at this point of time.
This training program gave me more practical knowledge rather than the theoretical knowledge, which impart me more knowledge, so that if I got the service as my dream, then I will definitely try to work on the ground level to deal with the situation which are not as possible if you have only theoretical knowledge. And this training program gave me to innovate new ideas and to implement those ideas for the betterment of our beloved country, India. This course will, as stated, this course will help me to impart those practical knowledge which I have learned, and in future, as I am also associated with several NGOs, and will try to implement all those things in practical so that it will benefit the masses.
अभी तक जितने हम ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम करते हैं, मतलब जो भी को हम ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम करते हैं, वो मोस्टली डिपेंड होते हैं कि आप लाइक दैट सिर्फ पढ़िए और थ्योरी टाइप। लेकिन यहाँ जो प्रोग्राम था ये हम कहीं ना कहीं हमें उससे जोड़ रहा था, प्रैक्टिकली करवा रहा था, और क्या उसमें प्रॉब्लम है लाइक दैट उसके जड़ तक हम जा रहे हैं। सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट तो जैसे इसका नाम है ग्रीन स्किल डेवलपमेंट, तो इस नाम से ही हम समझ जाते हैं कि हमें बहुत एडिशनल नॉलेज यहाँ मिल रहा है। जो मेरा कोर्स था एयर पोल्यूशन मॉनिटरिंग, तो उसमें मेन मॉनिटरिंग मतलब हवा की जांच, हवा की क्या गुणवत्ता है हाल फिलहाल, तो उस गुणवत्ता के बारे में मैं आज नॉर्मली कहीं भी जाऊँ कोई इंस्टीट्यूट में तो मैं उसकी जांच कर सकता हूँ, उसके पैरामीटर्स इंक्लूड कर सकता हूँ। तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट थी कि मैं आज हवा जो हमारा जीवन है उसकी मैं गुणवत्ता कर सकता हूँ। सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ थी कि यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग में हमें हवा की गुणवत्ता के बारे में बताया ही, उसके साथ साथ हमारी बहुत सारी जो स्किल्स हैं, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हैं, उसको भी उन्होंने बाहर निकाला। जैसे कि स्टेज पर बोलना आना चाहिए, क्या बड़े जैसे कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस पीपल्स हैं उनके साथ बात करने का क्या तरीका होता है, एक बड़े इंस्टीट्यूट में रहने का क्या तरीका होता है। तो जब फ्यूचर में हम ऑन जॉब जब हमें एम्प्लॉयमेंट होगी तो हम काम करेंगे तो इन सब चीज़ों का हम बहुत अच्छे से उपयोग कर सकते हैं।